Hey guys, this is Christine coming to you from Cards by Christine, actually live for you for a Tip Tuesday. I waited till the end of the workday and I'm like, okay, time for the Tip Tuesday. Normally, I would do them on Monday night, and it didn't work out that way because Kelly was actually in here doing the paper pumpkin class. So, and then I didn't get in here after she was done. So you guys get me live on a Tuesday. Woohoo! And I'm like, what can I tell you guys about for a Tip Tuesday? Yes, the coloring was good. So we did the Coloring 101, which was a 4-part series for the last 4 weeks. So hopefully you guys got your fill of color. Okay, so if anybody ever asks me, how do you do coloring, or what do you do for this, or what's the verses, I'm gonna just say, watch these videos. So, yay. Okay, hi Sandy Wicklander. So I'm gonna keep Tip Tuesday, hi Kathy Miller. I'm keeping Tip Tuesday to a really simple tip. And I thought of this the other day when I watched somebody open up a brand new pack of dimensionals and they struggled. And I hate when people struggling opening up packaging. Hi Karen Drain from Erie, Michigan. So my tip for you today is going to be about how can you just open packaging so it's not inconvenient for you to use in the future. So, and this is going to be simple. And I don't know if you guys are going to be like, well, this is way too simple, but I thought that you guys all need to know this. So hi Jean, hi Chris Duderenke. So hi Patricia Settle, and maybe I'll give you guys like a few minutes to roll in because I might get some people live here watching this with me. Hi Denise, hi Kelly. So I might as well tell you 2 different things before we do this Tip Tuesday, because these 2 things I actually went into effect today. Woohoo! Hi Susan, and they are one that if you sign up to become a Stampin' Up! Discount shopper or demonstrator, if you want to have classes, you can go crazy with it. But if you just want to shop for yourself and get a 20% discount while you're active for the first quarter, you can do that. And they have a special right now. It's $25 off. So normally it's, oh, I don't even know. I'd have to look it up, you guys. Normally it's $99, but I don't know if it's $75 or if it's $79. Somebody who saw it can maybe post in here. I didn't read it so closely. I was working today and I didn't see it. I just saw a couple other people who had talked about it or emailed about it. So, hi Sandy. So that's it. Just know there's a special the whole month of November. Hi Shannon Kemp. Hi Joanna. Hi Cindy. There's a special for the rest of the month for signing up to be a discount shopper. And if you want to become a Be Happy Stamper and join my lovely team of bees, I would love to have you join my team. So that's one thing. The other thing is the Eden's Garden is available starting today, and that will segue me into the tip for today. Okay, so hi Rhonda. So Eden's Garden is available today through the rest of the month as a exclusive pre-early buy or an early buy. You get a whole suite of products for $82, a stamp set, the dies, these fabulous gems. They are so bedazzly and pretty, and that leads me into my tip for opening them, right? But there's 2 other things in here. Yes, a live Tip Tuesday, Mo, you get me live. And Tyler's gonna be over in like an hour for our second date night of the week. Hi, Mitzi. So there's some cotton paper in here, and there's some fabulous designer series paper, you guys. It's so pretty. Let's see if I can get this so that you guys can see sheet by sheet. So you get 2 pages of each. They have gold flecking, gold accents on them on the one side, and then the other side. That's my favorite one. So, and then the other side is non-gold and more subdued patterns, not crazy foliage. That one's pretty cool. It's like an ombre. So yeah, so that's what's available today, starting today. The whole month of November, you can order it. And then I believe it goes off of order December, but then this is going to be product in the new spring catalog starting in January. So, but let's go to these embellishments here. So this is my tip for you guys. Hi Sandy, this is my tip for you guys. I saw this last week when I had a Fun Folds class in person. Somebody got themselves some new packs of the Stampin' Dimensionals. And better late than never. Hi Barb. Sounds good if you want to catch the replay. So how I open my embellishments is I take and I slice them like this, and then you can easily slide them in and out. I absolutely hate peeling off this flap because it leaves this sticky strip there, and then that sticky strip gets caught onto everything that these touch. And so I always slice open packages. So that's my tip, guys. So when you open up a new pack of dimensionals, so what this person did, I don't even remember who it was at this point, but all I thought is, oh my gosh, you guys, this sucks, having to open this up. And then what happens is this stick is right here, and then you're constantly taking these in and out, and the stick is always hitting the dimensionals, and it's peeling off the back. It's so dumb, horrible. So honestly, all I do is I take my scissors. You can do two things. I try to catch it and then slice it. Hi, Vicky Fritz. Or just take your scissors and cut that top edge off like this. And now all you have to do is just grab your sheets like this, like in and out like this, okay? That's it. So if you use this, what you can do is you could always leave those two in there, and the one that you're using, you can easily just slide it in the back like this, and it's not ever gonna get caught on this stupid flap. Sorry, you guys, I really get irritated by the flap. If you haven't, if you haven't guessed that yet. Okay, so now I need these up in my design room where I stamp. I know I was short and out of these, so I'm like, I don't mind opening these up to show you, okay? Because I'm gonna go upstairs and use them. So yeah, Arla said she saw me do this hint way back. So if you guys ever see me open up stuff during a class, that's how I open it. But I don't think I've ever called it out specifically in a Tip Tuesday. So there. So you can see that's now I keep them. They're never going to really fall out of there. And they're never going to give you problems. But the other thing too is about storage of your embellishments. I was going to talk about that as long as we're talking about. So you can see here, I always have, and I take, if there's extra, so they're in here, that's it. So then like that, you guys can see, it just slides in and out. That's how I have all of them. You can see I stand true. I don't even know if this one's open. This is brand new. Huh, look at that. I don't usually keep unopened things in here. But yeah, you guys can see this is exactly how I open up all my embellishments. And it, it kills me when I have a class and then somebody peels this off thinking, and then it's got stick, and then I put a piece of paper over the top of it because, oh my goodness, it is a pain in the butt. But look at this. This is how I store my stuff then. Hi, Linda Davis. Linda, I think I need your email. Not your email. Private message me your address, because Linda, you guys, I haven't mailed my cards. I'm being a little bit of a slacker here. This was from last week, but Linda, you won this card. So I need your address if you want me to send you your card. If you don't, that's okay, but it's there if you need to, if you want it. So here you go, you see all of this. That's exactly how, and so these are plastic cases Stampin' Up! Used to sell the big ones. They don't sell the big ones, but you could get the small ones, you guys, and you could keep your embellishments in these like this, and you could probably get like 4, maybe 1 more in here, and you could store your embellishments in cases like this, because, and then you keep all the open ends to the top so that they're not accidentally slipping out if you have to travel or move things around. But the cases were good for that. And then you can decorate these cases with designer series paper. That's all that this is. Hi, Jean Terwilliger. All this is a piece of designer series paper from in the past, and you can decorate them and make pretty cases like this. So yeah, you guys, that's it. It's a simple Tip Tuesday, but you guys, it's hi Susie Stocks, Laura Sullivan, hello. It just makes it so much easier to get to the things that you want without causing you stress with this little flap. So Karen says she takes hers out and puts it in an MVN on the craft table this way, your oldest daughter, and I know where they are in the clear envelope and leftover. Yes, perfect. Yes, Laura, I miss those big ones too. Oh, for all those demonstrators out there that are watching me, help us out, help the collective whole out, and go to the sandbox and tell Stampin' Up! That we need to get these back, because they're not just for wood stamps, they're for like everything. I would give these out as gifts when I had a catalog launch party in the past. They would include all the stuff from the catalog survival kit. And then people use these, they carry these with them, and they put their finished cards in them so they don't get crushed in their bags. So, hi, Sherry Martin. Thanks for sharing. Yeah, you guys, if you can and don't mind, share this Tip Tuesday. It was a fast, quick, easy one. And I thought, whew, what can we do that's easy for me? So we went with that one. But it's all a good tip, I think. So if you guys have ideas for Tip Tuesday, you just reach out to me, message me, and just say, hey, think about this. And I'll try to, if I've done it in the past, I'll try to let you know I've done it. But if it's something new, I'll try to get it into the lineup here. So, all All right, you guys. Well, that's it for Tuesday. It is date night, and Tyler said he'll be here in an hour, and he's going to help me do some winterizing outside first, and then we're going to have some dinner. Woohoo! So last night we actually checked out a new burger joint. It's not new. I shouldn't say that. It's new to us because we've never been there, but it's called Burgers and Beignets. And we read their story, and their story sounded so inspiring that we need to try this. They've been in Fond du Lac for 5 years or 6 years, and we've never eaten there. It was phenomenal. Like, Tyler had a breakfast burger. So it had a hash brown patty, it had a burger, it had an over easy egg, it had bacon, and it was so good, and cheese. I got one with onion rings on it, and it was so good. And bacon. You guys, everything, I like bacon. So everything tastes better with bacon to me. So, but yeah, so we have 2 date nights in a row. Very, very rare that ever happens, but there's class tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, and a double header on Saturday. So he won't see me much after tomorrow. So hi, Hildenel. So yeah, if you guys are just joining in and you missed the first part of the video, you can go ahead and catch the replay here in a second. So, all right. He's the big cases. I'm not sure what you meant, Vicki. Sometimes I see the messages and I know autocorrect fixes things or messes things up. So I know I'm making you hungry. So tonight what I have is Festival Foods is our grocery store here in town. We got a Korean stir fry many months ago, and I defrosted that, and I am cooking that up tonight. So, so yes, all right, you guys. Well, catch your dinners or your breakfast, depending on where you are. And I'll see you on Thursday for the ink, paper, scissors class. All right, thanks, guys. Lots of sunshine. Love it. Hugs to you. We'll see you later.